It's really easy to fill numbers or formulas down a row. In order to fill down, select the first item in your column or your row, grab the little box on the lower left-hand side and just pull it down. When you pull it down, it's going to fill in exactly the same as the box you selected. If I want to fill things down sequentially, and I'll show you a date first because it does it automatically for dates, I would do the same thing. Grab the box and pull it down. See, that pulls the dates down for me sequentially. If you want to drag numbers down, you have to do one other little step. So if I pull the box down, I'm going to get numbers, all ones. But what I need to do if I want to fill something down sequentially is type in the first 2 or 3 numbers in the sequence. Select all the numbers, drag the little box on the bottom right-hand corner down, and you'll get a sequence there. It works exactly the same way to fill across. If I decide I want to fill across with this number, I just drag it across, it'll fill it across. If I want to fill across sequentially, I add the numbers of the sequence and I drag the box in the lower right-hand corner and that'll give me the sequence.